So summer offers a great opportunity to enjoy a crisp glass of rosé.
And there's no shame in guys liking it too.
So today we're going to show you how to rosé all day. I'm Olivia.
And I'm Ken.
And we're Wine Therapy.
So in today's video, we're going to go over what rosé is. Then we'll talk about why rosé is excellent for summertime, especially for cookouts. And last, we'll talk about our favorite rosés so you can rosé all day. So what exactly is rosé?
So rosé incorporates color from the red grape skins, but not enough color to create an actual red wine, hence the name rosé.
Rosé can come in a very sweet variety, or it can come very dry tasting. So typically when rosé comes from Europe, it tastes very dry. When rosé comes from countries outside of Europe, it has a sweeter taste to it.
And typically when rosé is a lighter colored, it's an indicator that it's a lighter bodied wine, which we'll get into later.
And when rosé has a darker, deeper, richer color to it, that means it has a bolder taste.
Rosé is interesting because it can be made with any red grape, sweet or dry, anywhere in the world.
And when you're picking out a rosé, you want to get one that's younger. One maybe about 2 or 3 years old, because rosé does not age well. Also, if in doubt, you want to get a rosé from Provence, France. That is an excellent region where really good rosés come from.
Since it's summertime, you want to make sure that your rosé is chilled. And also, don't spend over $20. You can find a really good rosé under $20. But wait! Before we move on, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you like what you see. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time we upload a new video. It really helps us out to get content to you guys every week.
Now rosé is excellent for summertime. That's because it goes really well with cookouts and barbecues. Rosé's lighter flavor helps it pair really well with a variety of different types of foods.
So like you said, it's a versatile wine. It can go with pretty much anything, which makes it perfect for a summer barbecue or a cookout. Those strawberry, citrus, and melon notes, along with the high acidity, pair really well with grilled foods, especially grilled chicken, grilled veggie burgers, grilled turkey burgers, pork, and seafood.
Now the pink hues, the fruity and zesty notes within a rosé make it excellent for pairing with a steak. And let me tell you, we had a really good steak earlier tonight. And if you don't know which type of wine to pair with a steak yet, check out our video up above. We made a previous video all about which wine pairs best with steak. Now when it comes to rosés, there are heavier rosés and there are lighter rosés. The heavier rosés, which are the ones that are typically bolder, go really well with barbecued food and even charcuterie.
So that lighter rosé pairs really well with the lighter dishes, grilled seafood and salad. Now if you're looking for a salad, you really want to go for something with arugula, parmesan, strawberries, tomatoes, and even feta. And rosé can even pair really well with a caprese salad.
And getting back more to the barbecue taste, the fruity aromas and fruity flavor within a rosé help to really contrast the smoky flavor of barbecued food.
So let's get into our recommendations for a perfect rosé for your summer barbecue. So first up, we have Château de Cologne Whispering Angel Rosé 2019 from Côte de Provence, France. This wine is on the lighter side, very dry and acidic, with red fruit notes such as strawberry and watermelon, tree fruit notes including peach, melon, and apricot, and citrus notes like grapefruit and melon.
So for our second recommendation of a rosé wine, you may have heard us mention before in a previous video. Make sure to check it out up above. It's Bieler, Père et Fille 2018 from Côte d'Aix, Provence, France. This rosé is a lighter rosé. It's very dry and acidic. This Père et Fille, it has red fruit notes, tree fruit notes, and citrus fruit notes.
And that wraps up the rosé all day for your summertime cookout.
What's your favorite type of rosé? Or do you have another type of wine that you like bringing to summertime cookouts? Let us know in the comments below.
And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you like what you see. It really helps us get content out to you guys every week. We'll see you in our next video.
Cheers.